Hey guys, Hamza here from Unity Performance. Hope everyone is well. Super exciting news. We have the first FK8 exhaust from 271 Honda Performance here in Canada, or at least through us, because I haven't seen one yet on any Canadian Type R to date. So this one is going, of course, on my shop Type R build. I've been excited for this for months. I haven't yet opened up the box, anything. You guys are gonna follow me along as we unbox this. So let's see how this is. You know, I already have the AWE tuning exhaust on my Type R. I love AWE tuning. I think they make a fantastic exhaust. I'm going to continue with selling those. But part of my Type R's transformation to everything 271, of course, it needs the exhaust. So what I do know about the exhaust is that they do use the twin loop piping at the rear in addition to the muffler. It is a full 3-inch, including inlet diameter. You're not just calculating the outside of the piping and saying it's a 3-inch, as well as their signature chrome tips in a staggered format. So let's open this up and figure this out. Oh, another unique attribute, the 271 exhaust does come with their own front pipe as well. So without further ado, let's check this out. Oh, okay, sweet, wow, that's awesome. I did not know a box comes like that. I don't want to throw this box away now. I want to keep this box forever. That's super cool. I haven't even gotten to the exhaust yet, and I'm already like, holy crap. A banner inside the exhaust box. Okay, all right, let's get to this. What are this? Okay, what is this? So, hardware, all the clamps are included. They include V-band clamps. You're never gonna have issues with these clamps. I mean, the hardware included is, it's 10 grade. Okay, so let me put that down. I wish I could just prop it up and just, you know, have it displaying in the back of this video. Lots of paper, but that's good because you don't want metal pieces touching each other. And then, can I get to it yet? Not yet. More paper. Ooh. First section of piping we're seeing over here. Okay. What do we have here? That is the 3-inch front pipe. You can see the silly smile on my face. Yeah. Oof. Oh my God. Wow. That's gorgeous. And this is included in the price of the exhaust. Very few exhaust systems come with the front pipe. That's one of the reasons I sell AWE, because it comes with a front pipe. But I mean, build quality in this, polished. They think of everything. Little foam ends, foam tips on the end of the hangers, just so it doesn't damage anything in the box. That's so cool. I'm pretty, you know, I would say I'm pretty jaded when it comes to parts because so much rolls through the shop, as you can tell. But honestly, wow. Is this gonna be the thumbnail? Okay. Yeah, no, quality is fantastic. I mean, look at the welds. Those are just dimes all the way around. Fantastic weld quality here. All right, okay, I'm getting too caught up on the front pipe. That's not even like the fun part. Let's get to the rest. Okay, what do we have here? Oh man. Okay, I see the rear muffler section, but how do I access it? Oh wow. Okay, so take it out. Ooh, it's like lodged in there tight. There you go. That's their rear muffler section, and just to protect it, they've got the whole 271 cover on there, so let me do that. Look, it may be a struggle for me to open this exhaust, but that's the signs of a well-packaged item. The more you struggle with it, the more the company spent effort in packaging it, so you're not going to have any issues. Okay, more staples. Ah, jeez. Sorry for blocking the camera, but these staples are everywhere. Okay, more tape. Goodness. Okay, we have it out. Or do we? Yes, we do. Okay. Oh, get this box out of here. That's gorgeous. So, holy crap. Balance it on my leg. Start taking the rear section out. Wow. I mean, these guys spent a lot of time making sure it's packaged well. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing this? There's the twin loops. The rear muffler. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. If that's not the most gorgeous rear muffler section that you've ever seen in your life, I don't know what is. You guys comment below. Is there a more gorgeous rear exhaust muffler section out there? Not even for the Type R, just in general. I want to hear some thoughts. Wow, okay. Struggling a little bit out of breath. That was quite a fight. Let's keep moving. Signature triple chrome exhaust tip design. The tips are welded on. You can see there's a 271 badge that has been welded on over here in metal as well. I mean, just look at if the camera can capture that weld quality. Unreal. Muffler. Twin loop exhaust. So essentially what the twin loop does, I balance this on my leg, it's heavy. What the twin loop does is takes out all the drone frequencies. I actually have driven the 271 Type R with their prototype catless downpipe, as well as this exhaust, and it sounded fantastic. So, and it didn't have drone, and it didn't have rasp. It's because with these pipes, they're able to tune out the specific frequencies that would otherwise create drone. Full 3-inch. A little bit out of breath here fighting with this box, but holy crap. I mean, okay, thumbnail moment. Thumbnail done. Okay. Okay, keep moving. There's more to cover. Okay, what's next? What are we at? Holy crap, 10:29. Okay, I need to speed this up. Ah, yes. So, I'll be quicker with this. This is a brace for the exhaust that hangs at the back of your car, and it secures the muffler to it super cool. I mean, this is attention to detail that you won't see anywhere else. So this brace goes on first, and the muffler is attached over here. It's extra support for your exhaust. You know, build quality again, fantastic. It's a hollow piece but polished, and yeah, I mean the 271 has outdone themselves on the build quality. Okay, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. Just a packaging box. Okay, we got two more pipes here. So one would be the pipe that connects to the front pipe, and one would be the mid pipe. So this is the mid pipe, and as you can see, actually no, this is the this is post front pipe. So yeah, 3-inch V-band clamp. I mean, it's pretty standard. You guys don't need to know much about it. I'm gonna put that back down. Here is the mid pipe with what I can see, a muffler. So let me pull that back without crushing my fingers. Here comes the, not the muffler, sorry, the resonator. Oh my god, okay. And there you go. Middle resonator as well. So it doesn't matter if you guys are running stock downpipe, catted downpipe, catless downpipe, you will have a drone-free experience with your 271 exhaust. I mean, the build quality is simply fantastic. Let me do a quick reveal and open of this to show you guys. Yeah, I mean, guys, where are you going to see this type of attention to detail? You'll, you know, have to go to something, you know, Japanese titanium just to see this type of attention to not only the build quality of the exhaust, but the packaging as well. So first impressions, I am blown away, super impressed by this. And this is the same quality that they repeat on the SI and the 1.5T hatchback, and you're going to be seeing this on the 11th gen as well. So there is a prototype 11th gen SI sedan exhaust in works, but you know, I can't get over it. Like, this is, I've had a number of exhausts in my life on different cars. This is by far the one that just jumped out to me as the most highest quality, and you know, it's up there in price. We are the exclusive dealer for 271 Honda Performance Parts in Canada, and once available for purchase fully on the website, hopefully by April, it will be around the $2,200 to $2,300, or closer to $2,300 Canadian mark, and that includes the front pipe and the full catback, everything that you see here, excluding tax and shipping, of course. We don't retail 271 parts to customers in the US. Please purchase those parts from 271 directly. If you still have any questions, feel free to email me, tag me on Insta, or DM us on Insta. More than happy to help. But next video, you'll see this being installed on my shop Type R, which will be later this week. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the unboxing. If I missed anything, I apologize. Please do comment below, let me know what questions you have. Next clip, you're going to be seeing this exhaust on the Unity CTR, so look forward to that later this week. Awesome. Have a good one.